This video will show you how to create a training plan for your trainee within OneFile. I've started by logging in as an assessor. The first thing I want to do is take a look through my trainee's portfolio. To do that, I will navigate over to the Select a Trainee menu and select the appropriate trainee from that menu. Now, to view my trainee's progress in their portfolio, I will select the Progress tab and then select Gap Analysis. I'll then select Show All so I can see exactly what has been submitted and not submitted within the trainee's portfolio. Now, looking at the module SBI 101, I can see that there actually hasn't been any submissions yet within this particular module, so that's the training plan that I'll develop. To access the training plan section, I'll go back to my trainee's portfolio page and then select Plans. And then I can create a training plan. Now, by default, the training plan is titled with whichever date the plan is developed on. Just for the trainee's reference, I will title it with the module that we have just been discussing. And presumably this training plan has been developed in conjunction with the trainee, either in a face-to-face meeting or in a remote session. So, for instance, this one was developed in a face-to-face meeting with the trainee. I can select a follow-up date to review the training plan. For now, I will just leave that blank, and to do that, I will untick that box. Now what I'd like to do is set a task for the trainee. To do that, I'm going to add a task. Click the Add Task button, and here I can tell the trainee exactly which type of submission I would like them to do. In this case, I will select DOPS. And I would like to specify the exact DOPS that I would like the trainee to perform. To do that, I will click the Select Outcomes button here. And when that loads, I would like to make sure that all criteria is shown so that when I open up that module, I do see all of the competencies and assessments available. So I'd like the trainee to perform DOPS 2 within this particular module, so I'll select that box there and click Continue. Now, the instructions are required. If I try to save this task without leaving any instructions, I will be told that it is required. So I will just write instructions go here and then click Save. And we now have a task within our training plan. I will add one more task. Rather than this being a submission, I'm going to select Activity. And the activity is an open-ended trainee-led task. So for this particular activity, I'm just going to tell the trainee to please complete 5 of the competencies in SBI 101 within 2 weeks. And I will then leave the trainee to decide which competencies he would like to perform. I click Save there. I now have a training plan with 2 specific tasks for my trainee. The last thing to do within this training plan is to sign off on the training plan by clicking that box there and then clicking Save. And you can see now that this training plan is now saved within the trainee's portfolio, and the training plan is now locked to the trainee to go review and sign off.